to come over here.
Right.
Yeah, please
If you
try to
people
visit.
who like adventure, this is the number one in Saudi Arabia. You will not find anywhere else.
You can swim over here, you can go inside
Yes,
as well, but we are not going.
You can swim like this.
No, you can't, but we can make it try it over here. You can swim it over here. Hi guys.
Oh my God. Guys.
How far? It's very deep from the top. Oh my God, cannot see outside.
Yeah, you can see outside.
You have to come down
What
with.
the hell is happening?
See, you can go in that. Let's go.
Slowly, slowly.
Slowly.
I can't see, huh?
The stone is also clean, down.
Yes, Mr. Arjun, Ajay, and Indra. We are three.
See, from here we can feel it. See, I'm not that much far, but still how much water I am inside.
Yeah.
Wow.
Come to swim. And very cold water, huh? It's like a mountain in water.
The water color is also very nice.
Very clean.
Very clean.
There is no chlorine.
Very nice.
Better than
it's not
better than
salty.
Yamami swimming pool, huh?
Yeah,
Please try it.
It's not salty also. From the here.
Now Mr. Arjun is gonna swim now. See?
Yes, you can see here.
So,
I'm in the
swimming mode now. Already inside.
On the stone we are standing, see.
Yeah, we are standing in the stone now.
This one is just in a corner. If you are going in that place, you can see it's very deep.
Yeah, this is a very close. In that corner, then khalas. You don't know how it is.
I don't know people how they are coming here, how do they find and how they are climbing in this stone rock. It's very difficult to find and some people they write the date, names and some country. As you can read it, there is some people that mention is a country name also.
I'm taking some white from Arjun. I'm taking some white color from Arjun.
Oh, already transferred. Now you became signing. I can see.
He's signing now.
Now we can see in Ajay's teeth is very white.
I swim now. I can see. It's not salty.
Oh, so you are going now inside, huh?
Better not.
It's not a sea water, right? It will be salty.
Yeah.
This one is they call Heatcave, huh?
Yeah. Heatcave. That's why it's not salty, guys.
From
Anyway,
the
one time
MME
you
110 kilometer.
You should come here one time. Take some picture also, guys. Forget about the video. Oh. Be careful from the stone down, huh? You can check one stone from here, how it looks like.
Wow.
Huh?
This one is very, I think,
White stone, huh? For the cement.
400 kilometer wide. From one corner to next corner. 400 meter. And it looks very clean water. And main thing is there are a lot of birds inside.
You can see, huh?
You can see one Nepali gone on the top of the rocks and he wrote his name.
Nepal, huh? Good there, at least.
They put the country name.
That somebody write it here.
Now you can see Mr. Arjun.
Yes, guys, how are you? It's very nice to swim.
Ajay.
Hello.
And myself. See you.
See you guys.